it's Amy with Amy McKee and Art. Thanks for joining us today. I am part of the 1000 Below collaboration again this month. We are a group of artists supporting other artists in an effort to get our number of subscribers on YouTube above 1,000. So we have our special guest is Tracy, and you guys know her. You've seen her in our trains before. She is our guest artist. She's the one who started our group, and she actually was the one who invited me to be a part of it. And so I just want to thank you, Tracy, for doing that and helping me out. And we just want to celebrate you. We also want to celebrate all of our graduates that are in the program, new artists, and also all of our current artists. And you can see all of their work in our train, which I will put the link in my description box below. So Tracy challenged us this month to do any technique we wanted, but the rules were we had to use paint colors that were in our name. So using the letters of our name to pick the paint colors. So for Amy, I chose Alizarin Crimson Hue, Manganese Blue Hue, and then Yellow Ochre. She said that we could also use white and gold if we wanted to. So in using these colors, they're primary colors, so it gave me a little bit of options here. So you can make a lot of colors just with the primaries, as we know. So what I'm doing is I've made some orange here. I've taken my alizarin and my yellow ochre, mixed up and got this beautiful orange hue. And I put a little gold in there as well, just to give it a little something something. I do have the blue here, but I added just a little bit of the alizarin to it to deepen it a little bit. And I didn't want to do too much because I didn't want to make it purple, but I think it's a nice color there. Now I've got my green here. I used the manganese blue and the yellow ochre and mixed those up, and I think it gave me a really nice green. Then this is my gold. This is Amsterdam's gold, along with a little bit of golden iridescent gold, just to kick it up a little bit. I've got my cell activator here, and this is going to be 1 part Amsterdam titanium white, and then 3 parts Australian Floetrol. And for my special effects, I've got my Montana Gold Effects Spray Paint in the chrome gold, and you can see that this is a very mirrored color. It is very, very bright, very, very metallic, and I'm using that for some chrome effects. So let's get to it. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my base coat, the cloud mix, and I'm going to add a little bit of each of my colors to it. So if you add all 3 of your primaries together, you get brown. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm using this to deepen my white and give me a little bit of an off-white. The comparison to the regular white mix. As you can see, there is quite a bit of difference. So we're just going to go ahead and pour this base down, but as I'm pouring, I am not going to pour it all the way to the edge and over the edges. That's just not necessary, because we're going to be layering the colors on and then tilting, and everything will get covered then. So instead of that new canvas I had laid out, I decided to use this one. I had painted it first with some Artist Loft black soft body paint, and it ate through everything in my painting. So I just laid it to the side to dry and added it to my stack of reused canvases. And it was a thin coat, so I felt like I could reuse it and it wouldn't cause any problems with another painting on top of it. So I'm just gonna hush up and let y'all watch and turn on some music for us, and I'll see you at the end. interrupt this video for this public service announcement. Please make sure to do this technique in a well-ventilated area. I currently have the window of my studio open. I also have a toxic air purifier running, and I'm wearing a respirator. Everyone must protect their lungs. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Say my name. I'm in the say my name. I'm in the say my name.
Thanks again, everyone, for watching my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, follow, comment, do everything you can to help this girl out on her painting journey. We'll see you soon down on the canvas.